The economic prosperity of Effingham County is connected to the Port of Savannah and the products imported and exported there. Because of our closeness to the port, we are an attractive location for manufacturing, warehousing, and transporting goods throughout the Southeast and the world. But Effingham County suffers a competitive disadvantage in the fast-growing e-commerce industry because of an outdated county tax on e-commerce products held for shipment directly to the purchaser. This fall, you can help change that. Voters on November 2nd will be asked to approve a Freeport exemption to the tax on e-commerce inventory. Our surrounding counties have already approved this tax exemption and are reaping the economic benefits. Removal of this inventory tax will alleviate the competitive disadvantage for Effingham County as it recruits desirable companies to locate here, bringing with them new jobs and investments. More and more companies now sell their products direct to consumers. Traditional warehouses are making way for or becoming distribution centers. Large e-retailers, such as Amazon, are already developing projects in the region. Freeport tax exemptions were established by the state legislature in 2016. Effingham County already approved Freeport exemptions on most other products. This referendum would just extend the exemption to e-commerce products. Potential investments made by online merchants could boost our economy and create good-paying, permanent jobs. The Effingham County Chamber of Commerce urges you to vote yes for the Freeport exemption on November 2nd to keep Effingham competitive. For more information, visit www.effinghamcounty.com/vote-yes.